Wouldn't it be nice to serve one specialty cocktail this holiday season at your gatherings that'll appease the entire family? Well, I'm going to share with you my cranberry sauce punch and show you 2 ways to make it for family-friendly cocktails and mocktails this holiday season. The key to the success of the cranberry sauce punch is your cranberry sauce. And I always make my own cranberry sauce, and we have the recipe in the description. And if you want to buy some cranberry sauce, you can certainly get some that's freshly made in the grocery store, but make sure it's not the kind in the can. It will not do. So to make my base, what I did is I took a heaping half a cup of fresh cranberry sauce, I mixed it with orange juice, and then I strained it through a fine metal sieve, and the result is this gorgeous cranberry infused orange juice, which is the basis of our delicious cranberry sauce punch. The cranberry sauce punch mocktail is ideal for those who aren't imbibing this holiday season, and great for the entire family. Everyone gets to join in on the fun of cocktails during the holidays. To start, we're going to add 3 ounces of our cranberry sauce mixture into our white wine glass. And I'm using an elegant Chateau Baccarat wine glass. And then I'm going to add a 1/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. It's so important to use fresh squeezed juices when making cocktails. It makes your cocktails taste so much better, trust me. And then we're going to top it with about 3 ounces of a chilled club soda. And to garnish, we're going to take a cocktail pick loaded with elegant sugared cranberries and a lovely little orange peel leaf. And here we have the cranberry sauce mocktail. So if your guests are imbibing, I'm going to show you how to make the cranberry sauce punch. Similarly, we're going to add 3 ounces of our cranberry sauce punch mixture. And I'm using an elegant Chateau Baccarat flute this time. And then I'm going to add a 1/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. And top it with a good quality chilled champagne. And then we'll garnish it with some sugared cranberries and a lovely little S-curve of an orange peel. So here we have the cranberry sauce mocktail and the cranberry sauce punch. 2 cocktails that'll appease the entire family this holiday season, whether you're imbibing or not.